let me share with you what I purchased on Amazon. The first thing is a non-skid tiered shelf organizer. And the second thing I bought was a set of 25 glass spice jars. They come with the labels, 3 sets of labels in clear, white, or black. They're glass jars, and I believe they're 4 ounces. They come with shaker tops and the metal top to close it. They also come with a funnel and a marker that you can use on the blank labels. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, I'd love to welcome you for the first time. I upload weekly videos on cleaning, organization, DIYs, decorating, tablescapes, the whole lifestyle, honey. So if you enjoy that type of content, I invite you to come back again as a family member by simply clicking on that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now, to start off my project, I am clearing out my whole spice cabinet. Next, I'll be wiping it down and cleaning it. After that, I am going to begin labeling and putting my spices inside of my spice jars, which I've washed and thoroughly dried. Once that is complete, I'm going to put in my tiered spice organizers and start to arrange my new spice bottles. Now, honey, I think I have an overload of spices, and I like to buy the big containers, but what happens is I have to take out everything to find the spice that I want to use. So I think this way, by seeing everything organized in the spice containers and everything is clearly visible and labeled, it's going to be a lot easier for me. Then I'm going to take the overflow of the spices and store them in the pantry. This video is part of the open collaboration 16-week cleaning challenge, Cleaning to a Better Me, honey. Hosted by my girl Penny over at Penny's Place. You're gonna love her. She is fantastic. Cleaning, organizing, tablescapes, motivational speaking, you name it, she does it. So make sure you stop by her channel and show her some love. A link to the playlist will be in my description box below, as well as a link to Miss Penny's channel. So please make sure you stop by the playlist and show them some love and tell them that Amethyst sent you. So, without me talking and running my mouth through the whole video, I'm gonna let you enjoy this to some music and see the final result. Make sure you watch all the way to the end. I hope that this video gives you inspiration to get some of those jobs done in the kitchen that we let slide during the course of the year. They say that admitting you have a problem is the first step. And I'm gonna have to admit that I am somewhat of a spice junkie, honey, a spice hoarder. You know this don't make no type of sense. But you know what? It came out good. Everything is neat and organized, and I can find the exact spice that I'm looking for. So thank you for coming along with me on this journey. I hope that your spice cabinet comes out as good as mine did. And this gives you motivation. Thank you so much for watching today. And until next time.